Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Naveedul Hassan Sayyed. Today we are going to present highly important MCQs related to PPSC test for the post of Lecturer Political Science, Pakistan Studies and History. Let's start the lecture with the first question. Who philosophized about the ideal state in his work Utopia? Utopia is the book written by Sir Thomas More. Hence answer is Sir Thomas More. Political party is an organized body with voluntary membership. Who said this? This is said by Finner. Seriously questioning the validity of party system, the idea of partyless democracy was projected by Jay Prakash Narayan, who said that civil services is a professional body of officials, permanent, paid and skilled. It is said by Finner. The Marxist theory of development is primarily based on the theory of surplus value. The answer of this question is the theory of surplus value. Question number 6. Lucian Pye has described the characteristics of political development as. Different options are given. The right answer is equality, capacity and differentiation. Gulick and Urwick coined the term post-corp to promote how many principles of administration. These principles were 7. Before turning to the next question, please subscribe our channel so that you can get our next video. Question number 8. The study of political system of a country at one time in all its contents is known as the comparative approach. The answer is comparative approach. The entitlement theory of property has been propounded by Nozick. The concept of rule of law is usually followed in a country which has democracy, both parliamentary and presidential. Options are monarchy, authoritarian system, presidential system of government, but the right answer is democracy, both parliamentary and presidential. Question number 11. The three most prominent exponents of social contract theory, the main three contractualists are Hobbes, Locke and Rousseau. The answer is Hobbes, John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Question number 12. A modern state is described as a welfare state. The answer is welfare state. Next question is over himself, over his own body and mind, the individual is sovereign. Who said this statement? This statement is said by Lasky. Fabianism made its appearance in which country? Options are Germany, Belgium, France and England. The right answer is England. Socialism is like a hat which has lost its shape because everyone wears it. Who said this? This statement is said by C.E.M. Joad. I am the state. Who said this? This is the statement said by Louis XIV of France. Question number 17. The concept of political sovereignty is associated with Jean-Jacques Rousseau. The concept of political sovereignty was given by Jean-Jacques Rousseau. The British monarch is a good example of which type of sovereignty. Options are de facto, legal, titular and real. The right answer is titular. External sovereign means the right of the state to act without outside restrictions. The right answer is right of the states to act without outside restrictions. Who enunciated the principle of the greatest good of the greatest number? This idea is given by Jeremy Bentham.